Greetings, friends. I've got to be honest and say I had no idea I was going to be back with you here in the studio so soon, but a situation has arisen today, and I've got to share with you because it's a demonstration we believe here, don't we, the director and the producer and myself, a demonstration of creativity, and as such could be used on a management development program all around the world. So let me explain what's happened because it's a source of some minor embarrassment. Huh? I don't know about where you're living, but where we are here at the base camp, we are encouraged to recycle the waste products. So we have a box, we put the glass bottles. We have another thing, we put cardboard from wrapping and stuff like that. And then there's one for pepper, but not Christmas pepper because it messes everything up. And there's another one where we put the tin can, the beer can or baked beans, and plastic like from the box of eggs, and they go there, and then they all go away. They go to somewhere else, and something happens to them. We don't know what, but it's not a problem. As long as we do our bit and we put the right item in the right receptacle. That was a good word, receptacle. Yeah, I was going to say container, but anyway, so I've been doing some gluing, and I've got the glue on my hands, and I have to be careful because last time I went to pick my nose and the thing was stuck here for maybe a week, but not today. So everything was okay because we take it by the little truck, we take the receptacles to the gate of the bush camp. We leave it there, and then from the local authority council people thingy, they come and they remove everything and they take it away to, we don't know where it goes, but that's where they take it anyway. But the embarrassment was this. We have been shut for the festive period. There's only been a few of us resident in the camp. And when we came to look at the bottle collection, there's a lot of bottles and they are all from alcohol. There's no milk bottles, huh? Nah. There's bottles from beer, from Chibuku, from wine, fine wines, from marula. We make the wine from fermenting marula, as long as the elephants don't get that first. Sorry, excuse me, my hands are very, very, I don't know, it's like, no, I don't want to talk about that, but it's very sticky on the fingers and it's peeling off. Okay, now. There was bottles of rum, all empty, bottles of whiskey. There was something called berries. I don't know what that is. I've not seen it. Anyway, it was very embarrassing. And the camp director said, look, we don't really want the people from the council to come here, knowing there was just a few of us, and examine the evidence of our activities, which is a considerable amount of alcohol has been consumed. I said, we don't want that. We don't want them thinking we are pissheads. So we're not going to do that. So what we're going to do, and this is a clever bit, this is very, very creative. The truck doesn't come till tomorrow. So it's all by the gate now. It stays there overnight, ready for collection. Well, tonight we are going to load the bottle boxes onto our truck again. And we are going to drive to the nearest village. And we are going to share our bottles out amongst the villagers, because they will only have one or two bottles, so we can empty them out, and then we'll just leave our box at the gate here with half a dozen bottles, some TCP for nursing wounds. We'll probably pick up a milk bottle, we'll put that to look like healthy drinkers, and maybe a bottle of Lucozade or something, and one beer bottle, so they think we've been abstinating and behaving ourselves. So there we are, that's creative thinking for you. I hope you enjoyed that. And I've got to go because they're now calling me to go and help move the evidence, as we call it. Anyway, have a good evening. And the next scheduled broadcast is not for a few days now. So just consider this one an emergency extras. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye now. I go press this button here because the cameraman is on holiday. And he's going to do it. So I'm going to press hard, huh? Okay. Yeah.